Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can start a new chat with your contacts and friends on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So guys, head over to Microsoft Teams, for example, via the desktop app, or as you can see now, I'm accessing it through the web application. Log into your Microsoft account. And here on the left side, guys, head over to chats. Now, as you probably know, you can conduct normal chats like typing messages, for example, to your contacts, as well as video calls through the Meet feature here to the left. So for this tutorial, we're going to use the text messaging chat feature here. So all you need to do, guys, is simply enter that section here, chat. And what you want to do is simply enter the recipient's username here at the top where you see enter name, email, or phone number. So select the contact from your contact list. And what you want to do next, guys, is simply click into that field here at the bottom, type a message, and send your message to the given user. You may also click into this button here in the top left, new chat, if you'd like to start a completely new chat and exit, for example, one of your past conversations and initiate a new one by clicking to this button or by using the shortcut Alt-Shift-N. So as you can see, it is very simple. You can always head over to the video calls by clicking on Meet Now here and start the video call there, but that's something we're going to cover in a separate tutorial, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.